It's Thursday the 22nd of January. This is the ETX Capital Morning Market Buy. So Asian shares held near a 8-week high on Thursday as investors bet on the likely size and scope of bond buying programme for the European Central Bank, which is poised to be unveiled later in the day as it attempts to revive the flagging Eurozone economy. The Nikkei actually ended higher at 17,329. US stocks were edged up in a choppy Wednesday session as traders digested reports that new stimulus would be announced by the ECB, while declines in IBM limited gains. So the Dow actually rose about 39 points to close at 17,554. The S&P 500 gained 9 points to close at 2032. Within the FX space, the euro traded narrowly between 1.1629 and 1.1589, moving away from an 11-year nadir of 1.14595 plumbed last week as the market trimmed short positions ahead of the ECB meeting. The dollar edged up 0.3% to 118.12 yen, following wide swings in the previous session after the Bank of Japan held policy steady. The Aussie fetched 0.8069, having shed more than 1% overnight. It was pulling close to a 6-year trough of 0.8033 set earlier in the month. The Kiwi tumbled to a 2.5-year low of 0.075516. Brent crude. Figures were trading at $48.36 a barrel, 10 to 11 last night, down 17 cents since their last settlement. US light crude was down 32 cents at 47.46 a barrel. Within the equity space, Barclays, a New York law enforcer, on Wednesday accused Barclays of defying the subpoenas in probe of a high-speed trading in its private dark pool and moved to expand its lawsuit, according to the British Bank, accusing the British Bank of fraud. Stocks fairly flat this morning, trading about 0.2% down at 236p per share. Within the indices space, FTSE's up around about 12 points, trading at 6,750. DAX is up about 13 points, trading at around about the 10,300 level. So markets are pretty flat this morning. Traders waiting for the decision of the ECB. Likelihood chatter across different news sources is that there will be a 50 billion a month bond buying programme that should start in 2016. Thank you.